Today I'm going to be showing you how to update the firmware on any FrSky receiver or module, specifically the R9 series of receivers. That will include the R9 mini, the r9mm, and the R9 OTA.
Alright, so all you need to do to update the firmware is unsolder these wires right here. The reason why I don't have an S-bus pin right there is because I'm running F-port, so it combines smart port and S-bus out. And then you're just going to wire up. Here is a adapter that I made. I'll show a better image of it up on the screen. And then you're just going to solder these wires there, and I'll show you, flash a diagram of it up on the screen. And then what you're going to do is you're going to plug this adapter that you made into your Tarranis. Right, so now we have the Tarranis, or any JR port radio you'll be able to update this way, but I have a Tarranis. So then you're just going to plug your adapter in like that, and then you'll have these ends soldered to your receiver, and you'll be able to press update on the Tarranis. From there, we're going to move on to the computer, and I'll show you how to download the firmware onto your Tarranis.
Welcome to OpenTX.
I'm going to plug in USB, and then we are going to select USB storage. Nope, not that. I don't know why that's there. Okay. As you can see, this is the folder we're wanting to add files to. Now that we have downloaded the firmware folder, I have it unzipped right here. We're going to click on that, and now you're going to select, if you live in the US, you'll hit FCC. If you live in Europe, LBT. And we have an r9mm. Now we're going to drag and drop these files into the Tarranis, right here, into the Tarranis firmware folder. I already have these files in there, right here. And now we're going to move on to the next step, which is flashing the firmware from the Tarranis onto the receiver. So to update your receiver or your
module, you're going to hold down the menu button, and then you're going to press page, and scroll down to firmware, and now you're going to select your firmware. So in this case, we're going to be doing r9mm F port. You're just going to hold down enter, plus you're going to want to flash external module. When your radio finishes flashing the firmware to the receiver, you can disconnect it and resolder it to your drone. This completes the tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.